Hi everyone, this is PharmaLab. These days, so many college students are preparing for medical, dental, or veterinary school in the US. But what we've noticed is that many of them start in the wrong direction from the very beginning. This journey isn't about just working hard, it's about working smart. Getting into these schools takes careful planning over 3 years. Managing your GPA, preparing for exams, building your activities, and crafting your essays, all at the same time. That's why having a clear roadmap from your freshman year is essential. How you plan each semester and even your summer breaks can completely change your results. If you try to do everything on your own, it's easy to miss key details, like prerequisite differences, rolling admission timelines, or activity quality, and one mistake could even delay your application by an entire year. So today, let's walk through the core strategies every pre-med, pre-dental, and pre-vet student should know before applying. Let's start by understanding why Korean students often have a lower acceptance rate to US medical, dental, and veterinary schools. The biggest reason is simple. There's just too much to prepare. These schools don't just look at your GPA or MCAT DAT scores. They evaluate you as a whole person. Your academics, exams, medical experience, research, leadership, and even your letters of recommendation. For example, successful applicants usually have a GPA between 3.7 and 3.9. Keeping that while taking tough science courses is already hard enough. On top of that, you need to spend at least 6 months studying for the MCAT and still find time for shadowing, volunteering, and research. Top-tier schools put even more emphasis on research experience. Then you add leadership roles and strong recommendation letters, both essential yet often overlooked. All of this needs to be completed by the summer after junior year, when most applications open. That means you're balancing GPA, exams, volunteering, and research all at once, and it's an incredibly tight schedule. The second reason is that many students start preparing way too late. When it comes to applying to med, dental, or vet school, the earlier you start, the better. If you only make up your mind in your sophomore or junior year, you'll have less than a year to handle everything: MCAT or DAT, prerequisite courses, volunteering, and shadowing all at once. As a result, your activities lack depth, your application feels incomplete, and many students end up failing on their first try. What's surprising is that even students who start on a pre-med or pre-dental track often waste their freshman year. They assume the school will take care of everything, but that's a big mistake. Pre-health advising programs vary a lot by university, and in many cases, advisors can only provide basic or limited guidance. Some schools even focus only on their own medical school requirements, which means your actual target schools might have completely different prerequisites. That's why depending only on your university is risky. From your very first semester, you need to take control. Create your own roadmap, plan ahead, and prepare strategically. The third reason is that many students focus only on numbers and ignore everything else. A lot of Korean students put all their effort into GPA or MCAT and DAT scores, but US medical, dental, and veterinary schools look far beyond that. Once your scores reach a certain level, grades alone won't make you stand out. What really decides acceptance is your essays, experiences, and interviews. And for international students, the standards are even higher. That's why your real advantage comes from your medical activities, shadowing, volunteering, and research. Your GPA is the foundation, but these experiences are what show your passion and commitment. The challenge is time. Between tough science classes, test prep, and GPA management, many students end up believing that a good GPA will be enough. But the truth is, almost everyone applying already has strong grades. For Asian international students on F1 visas, the competition is even tougher. You're expected to master both academics and meaningful medical experience, and that's what truly separates successful applicants. The fourth reason is that many students prepare alone and rely only on their school's support. When that happens, they fail to balance GPA, exams, activities, essays, and interviews, and their acceptance chances drop dramatically. US. Medical, dental, and veterinary admissions aren't simple or score-based. It's hard to handle everything alone, but working with experts changes everything. First, experts help you identify weaknesses you may not even notice. At PharmDLab, we analyze each student's grades, exams, and activities, then guide them strategically, from building recommendation networks to writing resumes and preparing for interviews. In fact, data from top pre-med programs show that students who received expert guidance had an 89% acceptance rate, while those who prepared alone had only 39%. Second, PharmDLab integrates GPA, activities, exams, and essays into one system, boosting students' overall competitiveness. Even Emory University data shows that students with structured, full support advising had significantly higher success rates, Third, we provide personalized strategies using years of accumulated admission data. Without that, students often waste time preparing in the wrong direction. Fourth, mental management matters too. Admissions are a marathon, and without consistent feedback and motivation, it's easy to burn out. Our system keeps students on track through mentorship and community support. Lastly, your application is not a list, it's a story. With expert help, your essays and interviews become sharper, stronger, and more memorable. At the end of the day, data, strategy, and expert guidance make the real difference. You don't win this race alone, you win it with the right guidance. Now, let's talk about how to plan your courses and GPA strategy from freshman to junior year. To apply to medical, dental, or veterinary school, you must complete a specific set of prerequisite courses. Typically general biology, general chemistry, organic chemistry, physics, biochemistry, physiology, and anatomy. These must be finished by the end of junior year, so you can submit your AMCAS, AACASAS, or VMCAS applications the following summer. Although each school has slightly different requirements, the core structure is the same. For veterinary schools, GPA carries even more weight since they don't require a separate entrance exam. Among all courses, general chemistry and general biology in freshman year are the most important. They're full-year classes with high credit weight, and you absolutely need to get an A. That's why pre-study before college begins is highly recommended. During winter break of freshman year and the summer before sophomore year, you should pre-learn organic chemistry. Once you officially take Orgo in sophomore year, it overlaps with other heavy science classes, so early preparation will make GPA management much easier. In sophomore year, focus on completing your major science courses, and by junior year, shift toward MCAT, DAT preparation, and clinical experiences. Finishing your core courses early gives you room to strengthen your profile before applying. Now let's look at how to handle a low GPA, because it's not the end of the road. First, focus on showing an upward trend. Even if your early grades were weak, consistent improvement, getting mostly A's and B pluses later can make a strong impression on admissions committees. They care about your growth, not just your final average. Second, you need to fix low grades in prerequisite courses. If possible, retake those classes or take higher level courses in the same subject and earn an A. This is especially effective in science subjects like biology or chemistry. Third, if your GPA is still not where it needs to be, consider taking a gap year or extending graduation. Use that extra time to raise your GPA and build clinical experience. Many U.S. students do this to create a stronger, more complete profile before applying. Fourth, you can also prove your academic ability through post-bac or SMP, Special Master's Program. In these programs, you retake or add advanced science courses for 1 to 2 years, and earning a 3.7 or higher GPA there can clearly demonstrate your academic capability. Lastly, while a high MCAT score, research record, or medical volunteering can help offset weaknesses, the most reliable solution is still to raise your GPA through consistent effort. At PharmDLab, we provide specialized GPA management support for college students preparing for U.S. medical, dental, and veterinary schools. Our goal is simple: to help students maintain top grades in their prerequisite courses. We do this through online lectures and one-on-one tutoring led by expert mentors. Through our tutoring sessions, students get more than just Q&A. We help them plan their semester schedules, review lab reports, and prepare for both midterms and finals. This structured, hands-on support allows our students to stay confident and consistently earn A or B plus grades, even in the toughest science classes. Now, let's take a look at PharmDLab's core programs designed for college students preparing for U.S. medical, dental, and veterinary schools. PharmDLab provides comprehensive mentoring across every stage, from GPA management and test preparation to medical activities, recommendation letters, and final application strategy. In short, it's a complete step-by-step program that supports students from freshman year all the way to acceptance. Here's what the program includes: online lectures and one-on-one tutoring to maintain a strong GPA in prerequisite courses, MCAT and DAT prep taught by tutors who graduated from U.S. med and dental schools, research mentoring with professors from top universities, including direct recommendation opportunities, and a doctor shadowing program led by practicing surgeons at Catholic Sungmo Hospital in Korea. PharmDLab is not just a consulting service. It's a complete system that manages and guides students through every step, helping them stay on track until they reach real acceptance. That's it for today's video. PharmDLab isn't just another place that shares information about U.S. health professional schools. We are the only specialized system in Korea that manages the entire process, from college preparation all the way to acceptance into USS, medical, dental, or veterinary schools. If you're currently preparing to apply or just getting started, you can reach out through the contact information or website link below. We'll help you design a realistic strategy and an actionable roadmap tailored to your goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to guiding you on your pre-health journey.